How to change font on TikTok. TikTok does not have a built in font changer, but you can still change it using your iPhone settings. Let's simply go back to the home screen and look for the Settings app and simply tap on the Settings app. Inside Settings, scroll down and tap on the Accessibility option available in there. Once inside Accessibility, scroll down till the bottom, tap on Pre-app Settings. Once inside pre-app settings, tap on the add app option available there and scroll down and look for the TikTok and simply tap on it. Then once you tap on the TikTok, all you have to do is again tap on the TikTok from the added apps. Then once done so, simply tap on the bold text or larger text according to your preferences and change it. So now as you can see, I have made my bold text on and larger text as well. And you can simply go back to the TikTok and check if the changes are done accordingly or not. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.